Hi, I'm Ankita, and this is my first ever trek, the Chokta Tungnath Trail. It was a beautiful 5-day journey, and I was traveling with the Trek the Himalayas team. To begin the adventure, I took a flight to Dehradun, then headed to Rishikesh because that was our official pickup and drop point. The next day, Trek team picked us around 6:30 a.m. and we started our drive towards Sari village, our first stop of this journey. And can I just say, road trips in the mountains hit very different, especially when your playlist is dramatic. Somewhere along the route, I witnessed something truly unforgettable. Devrayag, where the Alaknanda and Bhagirathi river meets to form the Holy Ganga. Standing there, watching two rivers merge felt surreal, like nature casually flexing and saying, "Beat this." It was calm, powerful, and honestly, my heart felt so peaceful. The kind of peace that makes you forget your unread Teams messages. Yeah, that kind of peace. After a long 6-hour drive, we finally reached Sari village. A quiet little place that instantly made the journey feel worth it. We checked into our stay, dropped our bags, and in the evening, our trek leader briefed us about the next day trek. And that's when reality hit me. Like, कल असली काम शुरू होने वाला है. It's the next day and the trek begins. I'm super excited, already tired, but let's go. We started our trek from Sare village with one goal in mind, Deoria Tal by afternoon. If you're wondering why my face looks like many a decision Culia, trust me, I was already regretting it. But then, boom, the views, instant motivation unlocked. We kept moving forward and forward and forward. The path was nicely paved. We took frequent breaks. Correction, I took more frequent breaks. Hey, it's my first trek and मुझे full excuse है. Anyway, after a while we reached a point where it really felt like, हाँ भाई, we have climbed a lot. Sari village looked teeny tiny from up there, which meant only one thing. हम काफी दूर आ चुके थे. Then we came across this beautiful little temple. We stopped for blessings and I personally asked God for extra strength. Because honestly, अभी तो और चलना बाकी था. And yes, as promised, another break. This time for a yummy local juice made from some mountain flower. I don't know what it was, but OMG, yum. Now, meet my favorite human without him, this vlog, and probably I would not have survived this trek.
फर्स्ट प्लेयर सेट की हाँ कि दे आर फ्रॉम
हमें इसे उससे नीचे
We kept walking, walking, and walking. Though I'm smiling on camera, but inside I'm
ये
dead
ब्लॉग बनने वाला है आज
tired,
से.
honestly.
चलो.
Can you see? I was blocking everyone's way because my panting breath needed a break every 5 minutes. Fitness level, mountain goat on screen, asthmatic human in real life. Oh my god. अभी हम हैं 8000 फीट की ऊंचाई पर और हम डेस्टिनेशन पे बस 5 मिनट से दूरी पर हैं. लेट्स गो.
वहाँ तो ऑप्शन भी नहीं है ना आपके पास.
हम कितने दूरी पे?
8,200 feet.
अब हम हैं 8200 फीट पे एंड लुक एट द व्यू. दिस इज जस्ट द ट्रेलर. अभी आगे आगे चल के इससे भी ज़्यादा इनसेन व्यू दिखने वाला है. लेट्स गो. अंडरग्राउंड ट्रैक जैसा नहीं लग रहा. Okay. Can't keep calm because we finally reached our destination for the day. This is the cottage that we'll be living in. I've taken this bed. We've got sleeping bags. Nice. We freshened up and went for lunch, and oh my god, the food felt so rewarding. Simple, hot, and absolutely delicious. Post lunch, instead of resting like normal people, we being two restless souls, decided to explore more. We took a less traveled path in search of a scenic spot. अभी हम जा रहे हैं कोई व्यू पॉइंट देखने के लिए आफ्टर लंच एंड ऑफिशियली.
और अभी यार पता नहीं कैसा है. रोड निकलता है.
Spotted a cute fool. नहीं, इसे तोड़ते नहीं रहना. Walking down this trail and we are supposed to see a scenic point ahead. Let's see. अभी चलते चलते हम ये क्यूट से स्पॉट पे आ गए. Can't see anyone here. हम इस वाले ट्रेल से होते हुए आए हैं from our camp and we are supposed to see the Himalayan range clearly from here. So let me check. And that's Deoria Tal, by the way. And guess what? We found that scenic spot. Look at my excitement. और ऐसे सुंदर जगह पे एक स्लो मो तो बनता है. So here we go. After that, we came back to our tents and later the entire trek group headed to Deoria Tal.
नहीं पीने का नहीं, वो हाथ धोने का.
The Tal is believed to be a sacred lake connected to the Pandavas. It's famous for the mirror like reflection of the mighty Chokamba and Nanda Devi peaks. When the weather is kind, the mountains appear so clear in the water that it honestly feels unreal. Like nature is showing off, and honestly, it should. The view was absolutely breathtaking. We heard some beautiful stories from our trek leader, soaked in the silence, then walked back to our tents, had dinner, and slept like babies, completely exhausted but extremely happy. The next day, we started very early, and our mission for the day was to reach Jandi Top. Now, Jandi Top is one of the most beautiful ridges in Uttarakhand, known for its wide open meadows, endless Himalayan views, and the kind of silence that hits you straight in the heart. But let me be honest, this trek was all ascent and definitely way more difficult than the previous day. The hike was slanted, the path wasn't paved, and my legs were already questioning my life choices.
कितना जर्जर रास्ता, कितना पत्थर. And we are doing all this after eating आलू के पराठे. कितना प्यारा लग रहा है ना, जिससे जाते हैं.
अरे थोड़ा एस्थेटिक्स करो, एस्थेटिक्स.
हमने झंडी सेतु क्रॉस कर लिया.
झंडी से
The route, the views, the mountains. It was so surreal that I genuinely got a little emotional. Like, is this even real or am I dreaming? This particular point of today's trek was extremely difficult for me. I almost gave up. But can you see this point over here? This is Chandi Top. From Chandi Top, it was all descent. I removed my jacket because even though it was freezing, trekking turns you into a walking heater.
Kilometer descent.
Ignore that ugly zoom and look at this trail. So dreamy, so peaceful, straight out of a fairy tale. After a while, we found a beautiful waterfall. We filled our bottles there and just sat quietly, listening to the sound of flowing water. Nature का own ASMR moment.
Look at that view. अभी हम वहाँ से descend करके a little bit of ascent करके we are heading towards Banyakund. And look at the path. It's so beautiful. And now We're about to reach somewhere. Oh my god, look at the view.
This particular spot was so sundar, and I'm ready for a slow mo again.
एक तो वाइट प्यारा सा.
It was now time to say goodbye to this beautiful place because the long descent to the highway was still pending. People say ascent test your breath, but I swear descent test your knees. My knees were literally begging for mercy. I was super hungry, surviving only on energy bars, and there was still no sign of the highway. बस चलते जाओ and then at a particular point I spotted few locals. Seeing people never felt so emotional because locals means highway nearby. And finally, look at this beautiful Malta tree. And yes, here we go. Food!
कैसा खाना लग रहा है आपका? आज हम पहुंच चुके हैं पता नहीं कहाँ.
Post lunch, we reached Banyakund, a stay for the day. And can we please take a moment to appreciate this place? Because oh my god, am I allowed to cry? Itna sundar. And the best part, this beautiful Hanuman Ji ka mandir. We took blessings, rested for a bit, had an early dinner, and slept by 8 pm sharp. Because we had to start a trek to Tungnachi at 2:30 am. Game on. It was really windy, extremely chilly, and pitch dark. We had our head torches on, and honestly, every single step felt challenging. The cold was brutal. My fingers were frozen. But we kept moving forward. Because this was the whole point of the trek. This is what I came for. Summit Day. We were aiming to catch the sunrise. But somewhere along the way, I was completely drained. Physically, mentally, everything was tiring. I wasn't doing that great, not gonna lie. But the thought of watching the sunrise from the peak kept me going. I started taking baby steps, one step, pause, breathe, and then repeat. Suddenly, I saw the sky slowly started changing. Not the sunrise yet. That soft light before the sun actually rises. That quiet magical glow. That moment. That moment, I was a little demotivated, yes. But the hopes were still high. And then, can you see that? No? Okay, let me show it to you again. And just like that, the sun rose exactly when I reached the summit. Lucky girl. This moment felt so unreal. Can you see the happiness, the peace, the pure contentment on my face? I was completely awestruck. This is Chandrashila Peak, a place believed to be where Lord Rama meditated after defeating Ravana. Standing there at over 12,000 feet, watching the sunrise over the Himalayas, it felt spiritual, powerful, and deeply humbling. After capturing this moment, not just on camera, but in my eyes and in my heart, it was time to head back.
टीम टीटी अच्छा कोई पीछे और
बाय बाय बाय।
By now, I was damn tired. And honestly, what's better than a hot plate of Maggie at this point? Nothing. Absolutely nothing. Then came the descent. Again. And let me tell you, after all the trekking since day one, my legs were officially on the verge of retirement. Early retirement. But the views, bro, incredible. We ascended in the dark, so we couldn't see this beauty earlier. But now, I was just soaking it all in, capturing everything with my eyes to keep it with me forever. And finally, it was time for certificates. Proof that yes, हमने ट्रैक किया है and survive भी किया है.
हर चीज़ का फर्क पड़ जाता है और फिर स्लोप धीरे धीरे कम होने लग जाएगी ऊपर, ठीक है। तो पहले मैं ये बोलता हूँ कि जहाँ पे भी जाओ आप हमेशा नेचर हिमालयाज़ की रिस्पेक्ट। आप हिमालयाज़ में जा रहे हो या वेस्टर्न घाट में जा रहे हो, कहीं पे भी किसी को वैसे वो नहीं करना है आपकी ये तो बेकार है वैसा है, ठीक है। देखो जो जैसा अपना आप अपनी ड्यूटी अपनी होती, ठीक है। जिसमें अपनी होती ना कि हमको पूछते कि आपको सबसे बढ़िया ट्रैक्स कौन सा लगे, तो हर से हम बता नहीं सकते कि है, क्योंकि हर ट्रैक की अपनी ब्यूटी है। हर ट्रैक की आप अपने लाइक जैसे कहीं पे होता है कि आपको जैसे अलग रीजन में अलग टाइप्स के ट्रैक्स है, जैसे कश्मीर वाले अलग है, लद्दाख वाले अलग है।
We ended the day
पूरा
with
हिमाचल
good
उत्तराखंड के
food,
सिमिलर है।
good people, and lots of laughter.
धनिया है क्या? अरे थोड़ा
ओह गार्निशिंग।
यहाँ डाल दो भैया
ट्रैक करने के बाद स्पेशल चल रहा है क्या कुछ है?
Tired body, full heart, and unforgettable memories. And with that, I conclude my first ever trek. What made it truly magical were the breathtaking views, amazing people, and the bestest company ever. The happy moments. My heart is full, legs tired, and already ready for my next trek.